My name is Mark Andrews. I'm with Mobile Viewpoint. And we're here at the ISE show in Amsterdam to show some pioneering new technology that's using artificial intelligence, primarily used for sports production. So traditionally when you look at sports production, you have the tier 1 matches and you have a big camera team behind it. But what about the more grassroots level, or the tier 2, tier 3, or people who want to basically create videos of their training and that sort of stuff? It gets very expensive to bring a whole camera crew in. So this is where we're sort of introducing the AI IQ sports producer. So what this is, we have a camera up here which basically sits and overviews the field of play. Could be in a stadium, could be inside, could be outside, and basically creates a panoramic view. The camera connects to a server, and using AI technology, we can now basically follow the ball in play. So this means we no longer need a camera production crew and all the expense associated with that. So it's a very low-cost way of creating productions, sports productions, and we can live stream directly to social media. You can save it for later analysis, and because we're recording the whole field of play, you're able to zoom in on other bits of the play that perhaps was missed by the AI. So traditionally, we used in sort of soccer, football, rugby, basketball, ice hockey, and even when in ice hockey, for example, we have a puck which goes super quick, the technology is able to keep up with that as well. If you're interested in learning more about this technology, then please go to our website, www.mobileviewpoint.com. Many thanks.